Hello, this is Data Trader Pro for a nightly market wrap, Monday, January 4th. Happy New Year, first trading day of the new year, and what a day it was. We gapped down after a bearish year-end close on the 31st, and basically what we've done is gap down, run down for most of the day. On the trend chart, we show a bearish trend day. There was selling of key major market stocks pretty much the entire day. But somewhere near the end of the day, things started to improve. Certainly less so with the weighted buying pressure, but massively in breadth. The Russell version of the trend stayed bullish all day, regardless of what TF and IWM did. Even though the internals are still overall bearish, when the trends change, it means that there is large volume coming in. When this is bullish, large volume overwhelming the advanced declines, so that it becomes bullish. That Russell was first, and then Nasdaq and NYSE followed somewhat. Nasdaq by the end of the day was bullish. NYSE never really got there, but it never. You see, this is the low mark. It never went into the red, so it never got tremendously bullish, or sorry, bearish today. Yeah, so sort of a strange day. We definitely had all the makings of a trend day down. We did have a trend day down, but as sometimes happens with trend days, later in the day they reverse. Usually, if a trend day is going to reverse, it's only going to do so late in the day, i.e., after 3 o'clock. Sometimes not until after 3:30. From 3:30 until close, the S&P rose 1% in roughly 30 minutes. So, you know, big strong move off the lows. The volume was still pegged negative. The net volume delineator, the advanced decline improved from being pegged to simply bearish, and you know, so was that a dead cat bounce? Is there more down to come? Let's look at the block trades. I think some information has come from there. We had a lot of buying that we noted on the lows today. Price never broke back through below these lower block buys. The Qs didn't see much block trade activity until late in the day, you know, 2:30 to 3 o'clock, and then things popped. IWM had significant block trade activity with some very large prints. Where are we? Yeah, over 3 million here. A little hard to tell because the charts of the IWM and the SPY are a bit different. IWM didn't come off the lows nearly as strongly as SPY did, and certainly QQQ. So until they sort of align themselves a little better, I'm not calling this down move over, but you know, we'll follow the prints. Basically, you know, 201.40s seem to be roughly 201.01. Large volume there. 7.3 million shares traded at that level in 3 tranches. So above, we're going to get bullish back to these print levels, which are the 204s that we talked about in the wrap the other day. And that's it. So don't have to spend a lot of time thinking about it. Bullish up until that level, and certainly very bullish above these levels, and bearish below. Certainly, if we break that 199 level on SPY, we're looking at quite a significant drop, perhaps, to come. But yeah, big stick save today, and you know, that's been the modus operandi of the market for a long time. So very few of these down moves are not stick saved at some point. So Volatility was early in the day extremely bearish for S&P. VIX was roughly up 20%. All the other volatility indexes are up. They stayed up. The midterm volatility, which we've been discussing for a little while, has remained high. The VXV has remained high. So volatility, implied volatility out to 3 months from now is still high. The VVIX, the volatility of volatility, was up, and the futures are into backwardation, which means the front month future, this expiry is of higher price than the near month, the next expiry. So there is some fear. There's still some concern in the markets, as reflected in the price of the VIX. So I think that'll do for today. That's our nightly market wrap. Wishing you the best of luck trading in 2016, and hopefully you'll follow Data Trader Pro and our nightly market wraps. Thank you.